Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today we're going to talk about that uber cool blues rock guitar riff. That's how it's going to sound. So in fact, these are two riffs. They're very simple. There's only one figure which repeats itself, but we want to strip it down to the very extreme because the coolness in this comes by the control of timing. The riffs themselves are technically not hard to play, as the first riff would be. So it's quite simple, just ba ba ba. That's it, and chukka chuk. But the timing, in fact, is one of the main problems, and that you want to be uber cool. It has to be extremely tight, extremely on spot, and we're going to figure out how this whole thing works. And how you can work on your precision on these specific figures, which are nothing special. It's like common use. You find these figures everywhere, and you can also strip it down to some basic figures. So let's get started with those figures. First thing you need to know, if you want to be uber cool, drop D tuning is a must. So tune down the E string to D, and then it's even easier to play, but sounds way cooler. Because mostly don't really have to grab much. So now we're going to check out these figures. Let's figure out the first figure, 2 times the same word. Goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Sounds really simple. You make 2 dead notes, and then you make, and that's it. But of course the timing is a really hard part, so we're going to strip down the figures now to the very details. So it starts with these dead notes, which are like the glue from one bar to the next bar, and those ones always come on the last 2 16 notes of count 4. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Check out. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how do you practice this? First, practice, of course, dead notes. So you damp here, 1, 2, and then you don't see my foot, but it makes taka 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 ta. These are 16 notes, and then taka 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 ta. Do this movement here together with the foot. Now you just want to play the last 2 of count 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4. So it's here, or just let's first figure out how to play the last 2 of a one little figure. So 1. So 1, chaka, 1, 2, chaka, 1, chaka, 2, chaka, 3, chaka, 4, chaka, 1. So that's a way to practice. Now you just play the 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Check out 1, 2, 3, 4. Check out 1, 2, 3, 4. Check out 1, 2. So it's quite simple. Well, in fact, not. If you've never done that before, it's probably quite hard. Now the riff is like this. So now we play. Sounds like nothing, but the precision is really extremely crucial here. So we strip it down. What are we playing? We're playing 1 and 2, and then we play this last 16 out of count 2. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, and 1 and 2. here, the first was simple, so 1 and 2 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, check 1 and 2, 3, 4. So we now make without the ending, so we make with the dead notes and 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Good, so that's quite simple. Then we have the last one is probably the biggest challenge. That one comes on the last 16 out of count 2. So again, so 1 and, so it's an upstroke. So 1 and 2, 1, 2. And now let's put it in. Good. So we play that 3 times, then comes we go here again with, so track a 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, track, and then again the dead notes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And that's it. As I said, it's very simple to play here, very simple to grab, but the timing is quite a challenge. So that's basically that. Now you want to put in a development arc, that's how it's called. You want to develop this little thing. How do you do that? First with dynamics. Then strong. You can also attack a bigger chord. The more you move forward in the tune, the more notes you play, but you keep the rhythm steady. And you can also play additional notes, but keep the main riff going on. Now let's do the second riff, which is probably the uber cool one, this one. So it's quite similar to the first one, and in fact it matches with the first one because we have similar figures. We start again with these dead notes on 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we play 2 8 notes on 1. 1 and 2. And on 2 we play here 7th fret, 5th fret. And then we move down to 5 4. The main riff is quite simple. If we skip the little gimmicks, it's just 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, and then comes, and this part is the same as before. So now we're gonna add a little gimmicks again. We start with so we just add the dead notes on 4 and on the, from here, we add a little single note line, and it starts on 3 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. But basic is very simple, 3, 5, 3, 5, 3, 0. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we put things together. once you have the thing a little bit together, you can add some oomph to it. What I did, I add this natural chorus or detune effect on long chord notes. Now I press against the guitar and pull the guitar away to get this slight detune effect. You can also add another type of distortion if you want. Let's take this one here to see a difference. What you also can do, of course, instead of when you want to, we again do, let me take another sound here, a little bit a louder one. We also want to have a development arc here. So we take the main riff and now instead of waiting or on this part, we just add some licks and what works really good. This one is of course in D minor pentatonics, so we take probably this one here, or something like this. I'm gonna show you. Yeah, so that's probably the best spot to put in any type of licks you want in this one bar. And in between you just add single note lines, and what I also did, a little figure. Now wait. I did this figure here as a variation, and then it's gonna get really cool. I don't like this sound. Let's try it with another one. Yeah, that one is a bit cooler, but at least we need a bit more volume. And I play the same thing again, and then guys, that was the uber cool blues rock guitar riff. I hope you enjoyed it. I created a cool backing track here, of course, because I'm a professional composer, so everything is really professional and on high-end productions. You can download it in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Plus, I'm gonna provide some tabs of the what I was talking about here, that you have some kind of a hint, and it's available for premium members, so please become a member of the HPCrazy Guitar Community and become a premium member in order to support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for the guitar community. However, if you just love my channel, please subscribe and please share to the world that me and Dr. Pink are existing to keep the guitar sounds alive. Yo, see you guys.